A recap of rational numbers. In tutorial 1.2, we explained that the term rational refers to numbers that are obtained through the division of two whole numbers, the dividend, which is an integer, and the divisor is a natural number. Often, rational numbers are referred to as fractions. When written as fractions, the division symbol, divided by, is replaced by a horizontal bar, fraction bar, that separates the dividend. In fractional representation it is called numerator, and the divisor, called denominator. Obviously, both these methods for representing division are equivalent, they have the same meaning. We have the following shown on screen. In short, a dividend or numerator, b divisor or denominator, and division symbol or fraction bar. Numerator and denominator have a common name, they are called terms. We have the following shown on screen. When the numerator and denominator of a fraction have no common divisors, factors, we say they are relatively prime. In such cases, no simplifications are possible. If the numerator and denominator have common factors, we can simplify the fraction by dividing both terms by any of the common factors. When dividing both terms with the greatest of the common factors, GCF, we obtain an equivalent fraction written in the simplest terms. For example, we can divide both terms of 12 over 20 by 4, which is the greatest common factor of 12 and 20. In this way, we obtain the fraction 3 over 5, which cannot be simplified anymore, as 3 and 5 are relatively prime. In symbols, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.4.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.4.2, the definition of rational expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.